Use your spoon. Can you use your spoon? Show Mommy how you use your spoon. Here, put your spoon in your hand. Do it with your spoon. Here, put it in there. Put your spoon in there. Do it. Here, use your spoon. Atta boy. Use your spoon. Use your spoon like you did before. Do it like that. Atta boy. There. Good. There you go. Use your spoon. Good job. You did it one time. Didn't you? Huh. Yeah, he's got applesauce. Use your spoon. That's a boy. Do it with your spoon. Pick it up. There you go. Good job. Big boy. That's it. Yeah. See? Using my spoon, Mom. Good boy. Yep, that's a boy. And I'm doing it. Yep, that's a good boy. That's a boy. See, Mommy? Yep. Say, we're trying. We're trying. There you go. See, I'm eating, Mom, with a spoon.